Hi, birdies. I'm just sitting outside enjoying this beautiful weather. I hope you guys are having a really good day and you're getting to go out too. But I wanted to take a minute and read you guys one of our favorite stories. Do you guys remember reading this in the classroom all together? You did such a good job helping me count and find the clues. This is Pete the Cat and the Missing Cupcakes. Will y'all help me count again? Yeah, remember all these pretty cupcakes? I remember going through with you guys and y'all would tell me which cupcake you would pick. That was fun. Pete and Gus were busy as could be. They were getting ready for the cupcake party. It started at 3. They were making cupcakes for everyone. Pete and Gus counted them for fun. Should we count them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. They had 10 when they were done. Oh no, hang on. Some of the cupcakes are gone. They were sure there had been 10. Pete said maybe we need to count again. Count them again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh no. They counted the cupcakes lined up straight. Now there were only 8. It looked like someone had taken 2, but who? Pete and Gus did not know what to do. Just then they found Gus said, "Look what I have found, sprinkles on the ground. I bet it was Squirrel. She loves sprinkles." Squirrel said, "It wasn't me, it couldn't be. I've been at the spelling bee." Uh-oh, more cupcakes are missing. Come and see. See? Oh no. That was too weird. 2 more cupcakes had disappeared. Now there were only 6. Someone must be playing tricks. But who? Pete and Gus did not know what to do. Just then they found another clue. You'll see the clue? Those footprints, who do they belong to? Pete said, "I bet it was Alligator. He loves to eat." Alligator said, "It wasn't me, it couldn't be. I've been learning my ABCs." Uh-oh, more cupcakes are missing. Come and see. Oh no, friends. Now there were only, how many? 4. Someone had taken 2 more. But who? Pete and Gus did not know what to do. Just then they found another clue. "I bet it was Turtle," said Pete. "I know Turtle loves sweets." There's Turtle. Turtle said, "It wasn't me, it couldn't be. I've been swimming in the sea." Uh-oh, more cupcakes are missing. Come and see. Do you guys see a clue with the cupcakes? Who is it? What on earth was going on? All the cupcakes were now gone. Oh no. Pete and Gus did not know what to do. They started looking for another clue. They found Grumpy Toad with icing on his face. Pete and Gus had solved the case. "I'm so sorry, it was me. I couldn't stop with just one. I ate and ate till there were none." Oh, Grumpy Toad. Everyone agreed Grumpy Toad would have to miss the fun. He could not come after what he had done. Pete said, "But wait, Grumpy Toad made a mistake. This is true. Let's give him a second chance. That's what friends do." Pete told Grumpy Toad they would give him another chance. He was so excited he did a happy dance. The night of the party was so much fun. Grumpy Toad brought more than enough cupcakes for everyone. Isn't that nice? Like they're all so happy. Which cupcake would you guys choose? Which one? They all look so yummy, don't they? How fun. And here's some more. Look at all those yummy cupcakes. And there's Pete right there. Well, friends, thanks for reading that story with me. I remember reading that with you guys on our special carpet, all sitting on our shapes, and y'all were so much fun. I loved reading that with you guys. Well, birdie friends, I hope you're having fun. I hope you're being good helpers and good listeners, and I'm looking forward to seeing you guys on Zoom soon, okay? Love you, birdies. Bye, friends.